Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to set up T-Mobile home internet. Alright, let's begin. First of all, unbox the router's actual package and the gateway. Inside the package, you will find a T-Mobile home internet gateway, a power adapter, and an internet cable. Now you need to place the gateway. Simply find a central location in your home, preferably near a window for the best signal, and also be sure to avoid placing it near walls or large metal objects that might block the signal. Now, power on the gateway. Plug the power adapter into the gateway and then into a power outlet. The gateway will then automatically power on. Now, as you can see, it's powering up. Also, you need to connect to the network. Simply, wait for the gateway to complete its startup sequence, which may take a few minutes. The light indicator will show signal strength, which is very important. You just need to aim for the location where you get 2 or 3 bars for the best performance. Now you need to set up a gateway using the app. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. So that's basically how you can set up T-Mobile home internet. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.